Nike leans into humor and shock value with the Air Force 1 Low Houseflies, launching fall 2025. At first glance, the shoe keeps things premium with a clean, tumbled white leather upper. But upon closer look, it reveals hyper-realistic black housefly graphics scattered across the panels, toe box, and even midsole, adding a deliberately unsettling twist. Classic AF1 elements like the perforated toe, sole unit, and stitching remain, anchoring the eccentric visuals in sneaker tradition. This bizarre but clever execution has already sparked viral conversations, as fans debate whether it's a nod to summer cookouts or a playful design prank. The Houseflies drop adds another bold entry to Nike's catalog of offbeat lifestyle releases. Maintaining the timeless AF1 frame while inviting double takes, it's an unexpected blend of creativity and familiarity. Expect availability on Nike.com and select retailers this fall.